Hey YouTube, this is Shannon once again with another Excel video, and today we're going to stay in the realm of quantitative methods in business, but today we're going to use our goal seek tool in Excel, trying to find our break-even analysis. So if you haven't already watched the first video in this sequence, I will go ahead and link that link in the description box down below, and then you can go ahead and watch that to see how I got these first numbers. So today, like I said, we're going to be using the goal seeking tool, and the first thing that you always need to check is to make sure that you have the correct formulas in each cell. So I've checked and seen that I already have all my formulas ready and set. If you don't have the correct formulas in here, the goal seek tool will not work. So in order to get to the goal seeking tool, you're going to click on data or data. Then you're going to go to your what if analysis, and you're going to click on goal seek. So now you have three inputs that you need to put into using the goal seeking tool. The first one is the set cell, which is basically what is the number that you're trying to set this value to. So in our instance, we're trying to set our total profit to value 0. And that's how I think about it all the time. Because usually when you're doing formulas and things of that nature, you kind of have to say it out loud for it to make sense towards you. And that has helped me immensely when I'm trying to learn different formulas and different tools in Excel. So basically all this is saying is that we want to set this cell at value of 0, at a value of 0, which is going to be what break-even analysis is, setting our net profit to 0, by changing the number of units that we need to produce. Essentially, break-even just means these are the amount of units we need to produce in order to get a total net profit of 0. So, after you've put all that in correctly, you're going to select OK, and as you can see, it's saying that it got to your solution. Usually, if it has more than one solution, it'll give you 2 and it'll tell you to go to the next step and the next step. But as you can see, we only have one solution. So from our break-even analysis, with these selling prices and variable costs and fixed costs, we're going to need to sell 18 cupcakes in order to break even for the day. And this is a great tool not only for break-even analysis, but let's say you want to know how many cupcakes you need to sell in order to make a profit of $100. So we're going to go back to our what if analysis in goal seek. And again, we want to set our total profit at a value of $100 for our profit by changing the number of units that we need to sell. And then we click OK. And as you can see, it got to our target value, and it shows us that we're going to need to sell about 55 cupcakes per day in order to make a profit of $100. So again, this can not only be used for break-even analysis, but it can be used for other analysis between trying to get a target profit or even a target revenue, depending on what you're trying to do at that point in time. And this is pretty much the end of our video. If you have any questions or comments, please comment in the comment section down below, and I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. And please, if you like this video, like, subscribe. It really helps me out. And again, this is Shannon signing off.